Welcome to Lesson 48, the Pythagorean Theorem Part 2. Lesson 48 of Algebraic Concepts. All right, here's our objective, some vocabulary. The sum of two squares is equal to the sum of the square of the longest leg. And there's a formula. Okay, so this is more of what we have been doing, except for now we're looking for A. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. 111 squared equals 185 squared plus a squared. $12,321. 34,225. Subtract 12,321. Subtract 12,321. A squared equals 21,904. And now what we're going to do is take the square root of a squared equals 21,904. And a equals 148. Okay, example 2. Do these sides make a right triangle? So a squared plus b squared should equal c squared. 9 squared plus 8 squared, does it equal 12 squared? So 81 plus 64, does it equal 144? A 145 does not equal 145. No, they do not make a triangle. Okay, so if you go back to the vocabulary, a Pythagorean triple are three lengths whose sides meet up. So the left side should equal the right side. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And you get 8 squared plus 15 squared, does it equal c squared, which is 17 squared. So 64 plus 225, does it equal 289? And it looks like it does. All right, so this is what you call a Pythagorean triple, where the sides are two integers and the hypotenuse is an integer, positive integer. And there are several Pythagorean triples out there. So that was the end of our examples. I will see you at the end of the video. So try to do the problems, and I will meet you at the end of the video for a recap. Find the length of the diagonal. Leave your answers in simplest radical form. Okay. All right, so 12 squared plus 18 squared equals c squared. All right, 144 plus 324 equals c squared. So now, this is 468. And it's not a perfect square. So we take the root of it. We take the root of it. C equals so what I had to do was play around by dividing different perfect squares. So I came up with 36 times 13. And we know the square root of 36 is 6. So 6 root 13 equals C. There's no number that will multiply the 13 by 13, so that makes 13 a prime number. If you have not seen this, go back into my numbers and operations. I did make a video about simplifying radicals. Do these and let's make a right triangle. So 12 squared plus 16 squared, does it equal 20 squared? So we got 144 plus 256, does it equal 400? And 0 and 0 and 400 equals 400. So yes, these make a right triangle, and these are also a Pythagorean triple. You got whole numbers, integers, and these three. And finally, our last one, do we make a Pythagorean triple? So 7 squared plus 24 squared, does it equal 26 squared? So 49 plus 24 squared, shoot, 25 is 625. Is it 586 or 96? 576. 625. 26 is 696. Let's see. 26x squared equals 676. Okay, 9 and 6 makes 5. 4 and 1 make 1, 2. And 625 is not 676. So this does not make a Pythagorean triple. No. Not a PYT triple. Okay, so that's our video for this lesson. Thank you for watching and paying attention, and I will catch you on the next video.